today I'm on the set of Fantasy Islands. Even got the old hotel here. This is where Elvis Presley apparently used to stay, and over here is a musician. He's about 85 now, but he actually performed, and he was a close friend of Elvis Presley. So the hotel's now quite very much in ruins, and they've obviously attempted to rebuild it and things, but it's never really happened. But I suppose it stands as a legacy, and I'm quite keen to watch the Fantasy Island movie now again, because I've now been here. Well, I'm out here on Gilligan's Island. This is the very beach where the pilot was filmed and where the TV program was. It's a very beautiful beach. It's like granite. And that beach over there is where the boats ran aground and appeared in the movie. So yeah, this is a very beautiful little spot.